I'm a Ford technician. I've been in the business for over 20 years, and I was very impressed with the MaxiCheck for its efficiency and speed of operation. I was very impressed with the ease of use. Unlike other diagnostic tools, the MaxiCheck is very quick, saving my shop valuable time. And some of the functions allowing me to be able to reset lights, diagnose climate control concerns, reset tire pressure monitors, and adjusting brake lights. Best tool, I'd recommend it to everybody.
The Autel MaxiDiag MD806 is the most affordable combination of 4 mainstream systems diagnostics: engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, and 7 advanced service functions: oil reset, SAS, EPB, BMS, DPF, throttle, adjust AF. This pro-level service tool offers time-saving features as DTC lookup, data playback and print, etc. for further vehicle repair and maintenance. Featuring 3 hotkeys for quick access, it is also designed with a strong plastic housing and protective rubber boot for intensive diagnostic work. You can connect Autel 806 with a computer via a USB cable for a free lifetime update to extend its vehicle and language coverage of 46 makes and 14 languages. Thank you for being a valued Autel customer. Autel AL319 is a compact and portable barcode reader designed with a one-click IM key, TFT color display screen, and built-in speaker. With a comparably reasonable price, you can use it to handle emission issues smoothly, and you can also view the diagnostic result or turn off the MIL in seconds. The update is free for lifetime. You'll get best software coverage for new models in the market and the latest bug fixes. Autel AL319 is a must-have choice, designed for fixing engine fault issues and ensuring safe driving. Thank you for being a valuable Autel customer.